Welcome to Forward Friday, where each Friday I'm paying it forward and telling you about an awesome maker that you should watch. If you like Marvel, Star Wars, Ninjago, Zelda, Christmas projects. Yes, I said Christmas projects. And some really unique builds and creations. Then you really need to know about this guy. Donovan from Once Upon a Workbench is a filmmaker, storyteller, artist, content creator, and doppelganger to Tom Cavanaugh from The Flash. And also 1/3 of the Making Geeks podcast, along with myself and Wes from Geeksmithing.
Actually, I like that one. I'm going to add that to rapid fire. I think we have enough.
You thought you knew why Moaning Myrtle was moaning?
Donovan uses his filmmaking background, love of art and geek culture to make incredible content, stories, and entertainment for his Once Upon a Workbench YouTube channel. Check out Donovan doing his thing. Donovan is always innovating and pushing the look and feel of his videos. I highly recommend following him on all the socials to see what he's up to. He's always doing something new and different and extremely creative. This video is part of the Making Geeks Make 30 and 30 challenge for the month of June that I'm doing with Wes from Geeksmithing and of course Donovan from Once Upon a Workbench. If you'd like to hear more about this challenge, just tune in to the Making Geeks podcast every Saturday on your favorite podcast player of choice to hear all about it. If you'd like to support the channel and are in a position to do so, you can give directly to our Patreon, or you can check out our merch store on geekbuilders.net, and we have t-shirts and other cool little builds for purchase, or just simply having your eyeballs glued right here is a huge help to the channel. We have a lot of other past videos on the channel that I think you'll really dig. We have a lot of new content coming out on a fairly regular basis. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to design, make, and play. I will see you in the next build video, and I will of course see you next Friday.